Hmm. This must be the entrance. I'll ring the doorbell. Someone's at the door. Get it, Buttersnotch. Okay. Anyways, we need to think of something. Something that will remove her from my amazing plan. But, what? Stupid nose. Running again. Wait. Ooh, new record for biggest booger. Someone called the records. Right, well anyways, we need a way to exterminate her completely. She's like the thorn in the buttocks, which is my plan. Ugh, and that's a pain, trust me, especially when it goes up your nose afterwards. That's it. We kill her. Well, okay, sir, I'll just go and call the assassination service and... Oh, please, Sitherm. The assassination service is overrated. What we need is a murdering service. Ugh, Flemighead. Well, as a matter of fact, I think we actually need her dead. So, call someone. Of course, okay. In the meantime, I'm going to call everyone. Everyone! Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes. I just want to let everyone know that remember our #1 policy at Snot Castle. At Snotraid Castle. If any of the castle's secrets are leaked to anyone outside of Snotraid Castle, they will be immediately executed. Do you all understand? Look at that giant booger hanging from his nose. I know, it's so gross. Do you? Yes. Okay, perfect. Who could that be? Who are you? I'm Kim, you know, the person who was just here yesterday. Well, okay. What are you doing here by chance? Well, I just wanted to ask some questions. Also, how did you get in here so easily, simplistically? Well, I walked inside the super obvious rear entrance outside. Entrance this way. Entrance this way. Entrance this way. Well, I truthfully apologize if that automated sneeze that terrified you. It is truthfully terribly terrifying. I might have nightmares every time I blow my nose, but anyways, I wanted to ask a few questions. Do you have any long-lost relatives? Well, one, I have a sister. Excuse me, I must keep working on this wrenching machine. I do have one. Oh, but I miss her to death. Kimmy. Her name was Kimmy. She's so nice. If only if you knew her. I do! Can you, tell me about her? Well, she was the healthiest of girls. Say, how is she? She has a disease. She's sick. It's something called priapiaposis. Really? Well, that's strange. Keep the secret, keep the secret, keep the secret. It's a big shame, really. Say, you look like you're holding a secret. Is there something you want to say? Sneeze that gave her priapiaposis. He did what? That is it. But first, I need to get back to Kimmy.